Welcome to my channel. Meshforce M3 Setup. Unbox and position. Place the main router near your modem and satellite units where needed. Connect main router. Plug the router into a power source and connect it to the modem with an Ethernet cable. Download app. Get the Meshforce app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Set up with app. Open the app, create an account, and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your main router and Wi-Fi network. Add satellites. Plug in and position satellite units. Use the app to connect them to the main router. Finalize. Test the network and customize settings via the app. Reconnect devices. Connect your devices to your new Meshforce Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching.